What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial with Kiss Nails, the acrylic naturals. I'm going to be putting these on first. Well, I used Kiss before, but I'm just putting these on because it's the new Flexi Fit. I think you still need glue, but it's supposed to work for 7 days, so I'll be trying these out on my nails. I will have to file them down and all that stuff, but if you want to see how these look, because I don't do acrylics, I really kind of like my natural nails but painted, and I don't want to keep going to the salon and messing up my natural nails, so that's why I got these. So I'm going to do a time lapse, but y'all get the point. I'm going to glue them on and y'all can see how they look. These are my nails so far. These are my nails. I filed them, and then I'm using the Kiss green tea infused foul and smooth. Foul and smooth, y'all can see that. It's supposed to help with your natural nails. They're thin and weak, but yeah, I'm using that. So don't forget to subscribe also. I'm gonna be doing more videos, and yeah. And the curls are popping, the edges are popping. See the curls? So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Okay.
Dream girl, she have to be nice. She have to be real nice. She gonna have to be real fly. She gonna have to be jiggy. She gonna have to be up to date. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm gonna want my girl to be. I'm gonna want my girl to respect me for who I am. I wanna look real pretty. You know what I'm saying? And not real sedity like. You know what I'm saying? Not real prissy. I want her to be able to ride with me, for me to be able to ride with her. You know, maybe if she like that, maybe I can go take her out to the movie sometime. Hit the Cheesecake Factory. You know, have